Writing a novel is a lengthy and complicated process that requires careful planning and management, much like any other complex, long-term project. To navigate this journey successfully, it is beneficial for writers to think of their novel as a project with clear deliverables. Understanding what you aim to produce by the end of the project can provide direction and motivation. The manuscript is for sure the central product of a novel writing project. However, several other valuable byproducts can emerge throughout the writing process. These might include detailed character sketches, comprehensive plot outlines, research notes, and even early drafts or discussed scenes that contribute to the final narrative. Additionally, writers often develop a deeper understanding of their themes and messages, which can enhance the richness of the story. In this video, we will explore the primary and secondary products that can result from a novel writing project. We'll explore how each of these elements contributes to the overall success of the project and how they can be managed effectively to ensure a smooth and productive writing experience. The first product is outlines and plot. Outlines and plot are indispensable tools for structuring a novel. They serve as valuable references throughout the writing process, helping writers maintain coherence and direction. Developing these tools involves several layers of plotting that are crucial for crafting a compelling narrative. First, a storyline. This is a concise, one-sentence summary of the story. It captures the essence of the plot and provides a clear focus for the writer. A well-crafted storyline can guide the development of the novel and ensure that the core message remains consistent. The storyline is also a good selling tool, and you can use it in the selling chain of your product, the novel. 2. Three-act structure. Predominantly used in fiction writing, the three-act structure divides the story into three parts: setup, confrontation, and resolution. This framework helps in pacing the story and building tension effectively. While other structures exist, the three-act structure is a reliable method for creating a balanced and engaging narrative. 3. Synopsis. The synopsis is a detailed summary of the novel, typically 1 to 2 pages long. It outlines the main plot points, character arcs, and key themes. This document is one of the primary tools writers use when approaching publishers, as it provides a comprehensive overview of the story and its potential appeal. The other products are character profiles. Detailed character development is crucial for creating a relatable and three-dimensional characters. To achieve this, it's essential to create comprehensive character profiles for your main characters. These profiles should include the following elements. First, physical description. Document your character's physical attributes meticulously to maintain consistency throughout your story. For example, if a character starts with blonde hair, ensure it remains consistent unless a change is intentional and explained. Inconsistencies like changing hair color without explanation can disrupt the reader's immersion. 2. Family and friends. Include information about the character's family and friends in their profile. This helps to build a richer background and provides context for their relationships and interactions within the story. 3. Personality. Outline your character's personality traits, values, and both internal and external conflicts. Understanding these aspects will help you portray the characters consistently and make their actions and decisions more believable. For backstory, your character should have a well-developed past that influences their behavior and decisions in the story. Write a mini biography for each major character, covering significant events from their birth up to the start of your story. This backstory will add depth and realism to their actions and motivations. Next product is word building documents. Creating a vivid and immersive world is essential for any novel, especially in genres like fantasy and science fiction. Knowing your story's world inside and out will make your narrative more natural and engaging. If your story world closely resembles a real world setting, your task might be limited to some targeted research. However, for more imaginative settings, extensive world building is necessary. This process can include developing detailed maps, histories, languages, and other unique elements. Before you start writing your manuscript, invest time in crafting comprehensive world building documents. This effort will pay off by making your story world more believable and captivating, and you have a more interesting story. Here are key aspects to consider. 1. Geography. Define the physical layout of your story world. This includes the location, climate, terrain, and any significant landmarks. Detailed maps can help you visualize and maintain consistency in your descriptions. 2. Social groups. Identify the various social groups inhabiting your world. This could include different human cultures, intelligent species, or other entities, whatever. Understanding their characteristics, hierarchies, and interactions will add depth to your narrative. 3. Conflict. Establish potential sources of conflict among social groups. Conflict is a driving force in storytelling, providing tension and stakes that keep readers engaged. Consider historical rivalries, resource disputes, or ideological differences that can fuel your plot. For novels requiring historical, scientific, or other specialized knowledge, gather research notes and materials to ensure accuracy and authenticity. Comprehensive world building not only enriches your story, but also provides a solid foundation for your characters and plot to thrive. And finally, the manuscript, the heart of the project. The manuscript is undeniably the final product of your novel writing journey. It is the culmination of your creative vision and hard work. While diligent preparation in earlier stages can streamline the writing process, the manuscript itself is where your story takes shape. Every author's process is unique, influenced by genre, personal style, and individual preferences. Some writers thrive on meticulous planning, creating detailed outlines and character profiles before penning a single word. Others prefer to dive in headfirst, allowing the story to unfold organically. Regardless of your approach, it's essential to recognize that these elements, world building, character development, and plot, are interconnected. Whether you choose to establish a solid foundation before writing or refine these aspects as you go, they all contribute significantly to the final draft, final manuscript. Ultimately, the goal is to produce a cohesive and engaging story. By carefully considering interplay between planning and creativity, you can maximize your chances of success.